Hi children. All living things needs oxygen to exist. Plants take in carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll produces glucose and oxygen by the process called photosynthesis. This glucose in return is burnt in the presence of oxygen to produce energy by the process called respiration. Plants need oxygen to help release energy from glucose. When do plants do this respiration? Let us have a closer look. When does photosynthesis and respiration takes place in plants? During daytime, plants take in carbon dioxide and water and produces glucose and oxygen in green leaves by the process called photosynthesis. And the phloem vessels transport this food material to all the parts of the plant body parts. Whenever the plant requires energy, this glucose is burnt in the presence of oxygen and release energy by the process called respiration. Energy is released in the form of ATP molecules, that is adenosine triphosphate. ATP provides energy directly to all the plant cells. Oxygen is important for plants. A lot of reaction takes place in presence of oxygen. Do you know, any reaction that occurs in the presence of oxygen is known as oxidation. And respiration is one of the best examples of oxidation. Respiration and photosynthesis both are very important reactions for the survival of the plants. Now, let us have a look over the rate of respiration and photosynthesis during the day and night. During night time, as there is no sunlight, plants only respire. That means they take in oxygen from the environment and release carbon dioxide into the environment. In the early morning, as sunrise is available, both photosynthesis and respiration can take place simultaneously in the leaves. They take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere by the photosynthesis process and release oxygen. This oxygen which is released by photosynthesis process is utilized by the plant leaves for respiration. That means in the early morning the rate of photosynthesis is equal to rate of respiration. During midday, that is in the noon, the rate of photosynthesis is very high. Plants take in a lot of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release a lot of oxygen into the atmosphere. Here the plants prepare more oxygen. That is why it is being released into the atmosphere. Yes, without respiration and photosynthesis in plants, we would not have any oxygen or food. Now, let us recap the important points. Phloem vessels transport glucose from the leaves to different parts of the plants. Glucose is broken down by the oxygen to release energy, carbon dioxide and water in a process known as respiration. This energy is supplied to the plant cells by adenosine triphosphate molecules. Photosynthesis takes place during daytime while respiration can take place throughout the day.